It's that time of the year when we announce the new spots in Singapore that have been recognized with the Bib Gourmand. We hope you're hungry! Did you know that Chef Kang of the Michelin-starred Chinese restaurant also has a noodle shop? That's right, tucked away at Jackson Square, Chef Kang's Noodle House serves bowls of noodle soup with wontons and glistening chashu. The soup with abalone is also a must-try. A Tekka market institution, Delhi Lahori serves fluffy and crisp naan that's cooked to order in a tandoor. Order the seekh kebab and chicken tikka masala along with your naan, which are both tasty and portioned generously. Find a pocket of Penang at ABC Brickworks Hawker Center, where Jason Penang Cuisine serves char kway teow, prawn mee with pork rib, and the famous Penang asal laksa, which stands out for its tamarind, prawn paste, and fresh mint. Also order the fried rice that's chock full of wok hei. Another chicken rice stall gets a Bib Gourmand this year. Margaret Drive Sin Ki Chicken Rice takes pride in their juicy, tender meat that is served with an aromatic oil rice and an addictive ground ginger sauce. Infamous for its snaking queues, Hanki at Amoy Street Food Center is known for their huge and meaty chunks of mackerel served with a clear fish soup and noodles. Have you tried any of these places? Let us know with a comment below.